money while you sleep. 7 passive income hacks that work. Imagine waking up and your bank account grew overnight. No, it's not a dream, it's called passive income. Let's talk about how you can earn money even when you're off the clock. Passive income sounds like magic, right? It's not. It's just smart money moves. From renting properties to earning royalties, here are real ways to make money while doing absolutely nothing. What is passive income? Passive income. Money that keeps flowing after the work is done. You set it up once, and it pays you again and again. Examples: rent, dividends, royalties, even YouTube ad revenue. It's not zero effort, but it is less effort over time. Idea 1. Rental income. Own a house or apartment. Rent it out and let your property pay your bills. No property? Sublet or try Airbnb hosting. Just make sure it's legal and well managed. Idea 2. Dividend stocks. Some stocks pay you cash, just for holding them. They're called dividend stocks. Invest in strong companies, sit back and collect quarterly payments. Cha-ching. Idea 3. Create a digital product. Write an ebook, design a Notion template, or sell a course. Create it once, sell it forever. Platforms like Gumroad, Udemy, and Etsy make it easy. This one's perfect for creatives. Idea 4. Affiliate marketing. Love recommending stuff? Join affiliate programs like Amazon or Shopee. Every time someone buys through your link, you earn a cut. You don't even need a website. Social media works too. Idea 5. YouTube automation. Make YouTube videos without showing your face. Use voiceovers, stock clips, and trending topics. Once monetized, your old videos keep earning ad revenue. It's work up front, passive later. Idea 6. Sell stock photos or videos. Take photos or videos with your phone. Upload to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Each download earns you money. Passively. If you love photography, this one's for you. Idea 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Lend money through platforms like funding societies or Prosper. Borrowers pay you back with interest. It's riskier, but can be rewarding with research. Passive income isn't magic, it's strategy. Start small. Pick one idea and build it. Soon, your money will work harder than you do. Like this video? Hit that like button and subscribe for more money tips. Comment below. Which passive income idea are you trying first? Let's make that money work for us.